Guys, so this is a short video. I'm gonna show you how to connect your Amazon Alexa to your smartphone for additional options and to connect it to your account. So basically, if it's connected to another account, we have to reset it by pushing this action button for 5-10 seconds and holding it just like that. So you see right now the yellow ring.
In setup mode.
So right now you have to download the Amazon Alexa app. Go in it. Go to More. Add device. Amazon Echo. Echo. It's gonna tell you to check if it's plugged in setup mode. So our is in setup mode. Yes. And sometimes if you're having a problem finding it, or the app has a problem finding it, you can just go out back in settings. So yeah, you go back to settings. So you connect to Amazon AC3, AC6 right now, but it may be Amazon other name. And try again. And it should appear soon. Okay. Try again. Continue. Echo. Continue. Continue. We're gonna choose the Wi-Fi and the password.
This device is ready.
So let's wait for it to finish. And here you go. The device is connected. Here you go, the device is connected. You can use it and it's linked to your account. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace.